1, 2, 3. There you go. You see the launch control active. And now check out this launch. Oh, ready? What's up guys, this is D from BeamerView, and today we're going to be doing launch control in Tiago's M340i. So guys, step number one, well first of all, let's congratulate Tiago because he just got this brand new freaking dope car. But alright guys, we're going to do launch control. So guys, the first step you need to do is put the car in Sport Plus. So you're going to hit Sport, and then you're going to go into Sport Plus, and you're going to tap on that. So now we have the car in Sport Plus. Step number two, what we're going to do is push the shifter to the left side, just like that. So all we did was keep the car in drive, and we just put it into manual sport, which is the MS right there on the left side. And then guys, the last step you have to do in order to do launch control is just tap the traction control one time. That's it. You don't have to hold it. You literally just tap it one time. And then the next thing we're going to do, and we'll show you guys too, but Tiago's going to hold the brake all the way down, and then he's going to hold the gas all the way down. And if done correctly, we're going to see launch control active pop up right there where it says Sudbury. Shout out to BMW Sudbury too as well. All right, guys. So let's give it a shot. On 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. You see the launch control active. And now check out this launch. Oh, shit. Wait.